Government decides to amend constitution for Senate election. Despite no decision of the Supreme Court on a presidential reference period recently to seek guidance whether coming Senate election can be held through open ballot. The Federal Cabinet on January 26, 2021 decided to table a bill in the Parliament to amend the Constitution for holding the polls through open vote. Question raised in European Parliament about Indian government's links to disinformation campaign. The European Parliament this week held hearing on the possible threats of interference from third countries in a geopolitical context and raised the question whether the Indian government was linked to the massive disinformation campaign uncovered by European Disinfo Lab last year. Pakistan opposes new permanent seats in UNSC, United Nations Security Council. Pakistan has firmly opposed this creation of new permanent seat in the United Nations Security Council and warned that attempt by the aspirants of permanent seats on the UN Security Council, India, Brazil, Germany, and Japan, known as G4, to railroad efforts to reform the 15-member body would kill the consensus-based process to make it more effective. Italy PM quits to seek new government as pandemic rages. Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte resigned Tuesday in the hope of forming a new government after weeks of turmoil in his ruling coalition, leaving Italy rudderless as it battles the deadly coronavirus pandemic. Senate to begin Trump trial on February 9. The US Senate has fixed February 9 to start the impeachment trial of the former President Donald Trump for allegedly stirring an insurrection. Nine members of the US House of Representatives walked to Senate on January 25, 2021 evening and delivered a document demanding the trial. Angry farmers storm Delhi fort spoil National Day. Thousands of Indian farmers protesting against agricultural reforms fought street battles with police across New Delhi entered the historic Red Fort and hoisted flags. Crores and angered by laws they say help laws. Private bars at the expense of producers have camped outside New Delhi for almost 2 months, posing one of the biggest challenges to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Poet Rehan Azmi dies. Renowned poet Rehan Azmi died here on January 26, 2021. He was 61. He was unwell for the past few weeks. He leaves behind two sons. Mr. Azmi was born on July 7, 1958 in Karachi. He did his schooling from the city of his birth and studied in a local college. Known for impressive Noha and Marcia writing, he also wrote ghazals and songs. He penned lyrics. Pakistan gets up to 38% lower LNG rates through revised bids. The state-run Pakistan LNG Limited had last week cancelled bids for LNG deliveries in March for three windows as prices in the international spot market started to crash. For replacement, the PLL went for revised urgent tender on January 22 with the deadline of January 26. The revised bids attract 26 to 38% cheaper rates when compared with the earlier rates. Shocking study finds sweet taste can reduce appetite. The sweet taste of sugar, energy intake, and the regulatory process of hunger and satiety. The sweet taste of sugar is very popular worldwide. Colombian Defense Minister dies of COVID-19 complication. Official. Colombia Defense Minister Carlos Holmes Trujillo died January 26, 2021 of complications stemming from COVID-19, the country's president said. Carlos Holmes Trujillo died at dawn 2 days after complication in his health while he was battling COVID-19.